Hello, welcome to AmennyPropertyTV channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you if you're someone that you newly come into the real estate or you're someone already long in this industry but you do not record the video for your team member. Therefore, this video is for you. So basically, there are three important steps for you to calculate the return on investment for your property owner if your property owner wanted to sell the property with a tenants. So for example, the first thing first, you need to get the property rental price from the owner and how long is the tenants already renting the place. So the second thing is you need to do a little bit of survey about what is the current selling price of the property. Then therefore you can follow this formula to calculate your return on investment. So basically, I'll give you an example. If the property is 480,000 and the rental is say is 2,005. So what you can do is that you're using the 2,005 times 12 months. So then it equivalent to 30,000. So after that, then you divide to on the price that actually the owner wants to sell 480,000. So therefore, you will get the 6.25% for this property. So I'll write the formula below in the description box. So if you are a new agent, then you can copy and put in the calculation sheet. So then in the future, when your owner actually asks you to do the calculation, then you can immediately given this accurate return on investment to your property buyer. If you like this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos to more people so that it will motivate me to produce more videos. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again.